This is Bentley Arnage, the coolest car of zeros, and the cost of this car was $300,000 in the beginning of this century. Wow! By hearsay, the owner of Continental GT Bentley has on his bank account like $3 million, but the owner of Bentley Arnage has like $30 million. But it's not just simple Bentley Arnage, it's Bentley Arnage Model T, cooler and faster version of Bentley Arnage. So, as you can see, these rims are just so brutal, and it's the sign that this car is Bentley Arnage T. So now I open the hood to see the engine. I put my hand under the hood. Hot! It's too hot! Okay, here it is, 675-liter twin-turbo engine for 500 horsepower. Wow! This engine is the old one, but on the previous series of Bentley Arnage, Bentley puts the engine of BMW to their automobiles. So like BMW, but not. Just imagine, 17 cows, 17 poor cows were killed to make one car salon for Bentley Arnage. The car interior is just fulfilled of aluminum, wood and leather. Brushed aluminum on the door, wood, leather. On the dashboard we see as well brushed aluminum. Leather on torpedo, leather everywhere. Here, just imagine, wow. And so many buttons. So what BGT WorkShop made for this car? One secret button, and now I just press it and we see the monitor, the screen. It's too small, and people in 2005, they just couldn't imagine that they will see on this monitor the film, you know? We put to this car our extra multimedia. So for this moment, and at this moment you can see and you can watch in this car films, navigator, maps, online TV and many other things that you have on your phone. All the programs that you have on your phone you can see in this monitor, on this screen. It's wow, but it's 21, so I think the future is here, and the BGT realized this future to this car. Poof! And now I'm sitting on the back seat of this Bentley Arnage and just look at this thing. Oh my god, luxury at each detail. This is the lever too. And also I have the small table for picnics. Oh, with brushed aluminum as well. And the secret spot for your remote controllers. Whoa, 1, 2, and 3. So many controllers, but for what? I don't know for what, but it's cool. Let me show you one cool trick with this car. Pop. Oops. At the time of its debut, Bentley Arnage was the fastest and the most powerful sedan on the automotive market. And he was the brother of the Rolls-Royce Silver Syrah. So I think that we have some cool and great work with him. Our center of additional installations, BGT WorkShop, was very glad to work with this car, to put the monitor and the screen and the extra multimedia in it, to make some interesting things with this part of this car. And we would be really glad to see you in our center office, in our BGT workshop on Vavilova Street, Moscow. See ya!